almost an year to get customers on board, to get them engaged on conversations like HR shared services. From there to today, I mean, there's a huge difference, that we see, and there's a lot of acceptance to solutions like this, thanks to a lot of technology innovations that has come up, thanks to the way the government is looking at the overall growth rate. You would have seen the Everest report, which is predicting about 23-25% of CAGR growth. And with all these three things converging, employment, organized services, and automation and technology, I think we're on an amazing journey. So when we engage with any customer, the core objective is to focus on the business agenda, not just the talent agenda, because you can't just be focusing on creating a holistic change environment just by focusing on the talent agenda. It is the business objective that we look at. In fact, 10 out of the top 100 great places to work for our PeopleStrong customers, and it is just because the way we have created the solutions for them.
That's basically that PeopleStrong provides you a complete comprehensive HR solution. It starts from, it has the complete employee life cycle. So we have got Alt Recruit, which takes care of recruitment. We have got Alt Organize, which takes care of onboarding, leave in attendance, exit. And we have got Alt Info, which is the analytics part of our product. And the best part is that we have done this in a comprehensive, complex manner, but the user interface is very simple. The platform that we use is very robust. It's a multi-tenanted architecture, so you get a very user-friendly experience.
Innovation is one of the core values of PeopleStrong. It's the cornerstone on which we built our business. We're one of the first people in MPHRO to get the HR contact center activated, a 1-800, a unique 1-800 number for employees to call and get their queries resolved. We're one of the first people as well to map hiring to PIN codes. We were able to map 34,000 postal PIN codes and ensure that we are hiring at the local level. We also are the first to get into HR Command Center, an HR Command Center where the HR heads and CXOs get access to real-time data and on their fingertips. So this is what PeopleStrong does, and this is where innovation has got us.
Quality has been at the core of the way PeopleStrong works from day one. Since 10 years, I remember that day, we said we need to set up a transitions and process consulting function. That is the one that creates the processes which are our foundations of the way we work. And I'm happy to say, today we have 600 processes and sub-processes across the entire employee life cycle, benchmarked against global best practices, and we are the leaders there. We beat our competition. I think this is the reason why we get business in PeopleStrong. We are one of the very few successfully assessed SSAE 16 companies, and across the entire employee life cycle. Plus, all of our big contracts are with very large global customers, and all the big four audit us 365 days in a year, so we are audit ready all the time. It supplements very well with the training that we do for our strong people, as we call them. It's called Strong Coach, and this is training that is not only behavioral and on soft skills, but also a lot of process training that is project specific, which makes our strong people floor ready. We are mad for our customers. We make a difference in their lives. The leaders in HR transformation.